What's up, you guys? I have a quick Pinch Me unboxing I would like to share with you guys today. I finally got another Pinch Me box. It's been a while since I have received one, but I got it a couple weeks ago actually, y'all, so it's just kind of late, but I'm going to show you guys what came in it. Dump everything out of here. Okay, so it looks like I got 4 items in my Pinch Me box this month. I'm really excited to try this. This is the new Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo Oat Delicacy with oatmeal, oat milk, and rice cream extracts. It soothes, hydrates, and protects, and these are packets of the shampoo and conditioner. Now, I thought these were going to be bigger sample sizes and not in the packet, but whatever, this would do. I'm glad to be able to try this because I do want to know how well this works, because I do use the Garnier Whole Blends myself. So yeah, this is the new Oat Delicacy brand. So I got that in a shampoo and conditioner packet. That's how the back looks. I also got this. It says new nice and easy changes is in the hair. And they sent a coupon for a free hair dye. And then with it came, looks like a cute little ponytail holder. So that's cute. It says Clairol on there. And I'm also really excited about this. I haven't seen it in the stores yet, but when I come across it, I think I'm going to pick it up, and I haven't even tried it yet, but I'm going to give it a try today. This is the new Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, crushed macadamia and rice milk. Ooh, it sounds like it smells so good, right? So it's a body polish, and you use it in the shower or bath. You scoop a generous amount of the body polish with your hand and spread it all over your body in a circular motion and rinse. And you follow with the Dove body wash or Dove beauty bar. And then these are the 3, for the focus, the 3 different ones that it comes in. It's really hard to see. But yeah, those are the 3 different scents that it comes in, I guess. And this is a cute little sample because it looks like a jar, but if you look here, it's like a packet also, and this is the back of it. So you just peel that off and use it. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. And then last, this is perfect. I'm going to give this to Elijah. This is the RXBar Kids, and I've heard a lot about these. It's 7 gram protein bar. It comes with 2 egg whites, 4 almonds, 5 cashews, 1 date, and no bad stuff. And it's in chocolate chip flavor. And I hear these are really good, really nice, healthy snacks for the kids. And I've been also wanting to try these too to see if he likes them. So this is perfect if he does. I'm going to pick him some up. I want to say that Target sells them, but I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, so these are the 4 items that I got in my PinchMe.com box. You can sign up for PinchMe free, and you go on there, I think like one Tuesday or something like that out of the month, 1 or 2, you go on there and you pick out your free samples that you would like, and they send them straight to your door, and yeah, for free. So not too bad. Yep, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Just chill it first. Try the RXBar for kids, the all natural and the chocolate chip, and see if he likes it. Okay, so I wanted him to take off his other school sweater so he wouldn't get that dirty, but he's gonna give it a try, and let's see if he likes it.
This way looks good. Front view.
It actually looks pretty good.
Side view. Back view. That's hard.
They're supposed to be really good. So hopefully he likes it because I do want to buy him some of these. What do you think so far? It's chocolate chip flavor. It's all natural. It has almonds, cashews, one date, and egg whites in it.
Oh, I hate egg whites.
You
That's why
can't,
my
it's mixed in. It's not like, you know, it's mixed in. You guys, he's acting like he doesn't like it.
I don't.
I was hoping that he did. Oh, well, I guess I won't be buying any of these. But, I mean, you know, maybe they're for more littler kids, like babies, toddlers, or something like that may like it a bit better. Or maybe just a different kind he may like. So, yeah, okay. Bye, guys. Subscribe.